Now let us look at question number 11. A car can travel 12 1/2 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance can it travel in 42 3/5 liters of petrol? So distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol is 12 1/2 kilometer. From 1 liter of, by using 1 liter of petrol, it can travel this distance. So if it is using 42 3/5 liter of petrol, that means it is using more of petrol. So the distance traveled will automatically increase. So for increasing the distance here, we have to multiply. Therefore, distance traveled in 42 3/5 liters of petrol is 12 1/2 kilometer into 42 3/5. So these are the mixed fractions. So you have to convert this into improper fraction first. So 2 into 12 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So 25 by 2 into 5 into 42 is 210. 210 plus 3 is 213. So 213 by 5 kilometers. So 5 and 25 can be divided. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now you see these two are odd numbers, so they cannot be divided by 2. So you multiply 5 into 213. After multiplying, you will get the answer 1065 by, here in the denominator there is 2. So 1065 by 2 kilometer. So I have done the rough work here. 2 5s are 10, then 6, 2 3s are 6, 5 2 2s are 4. So 1 is the remainder. So the answer we got is 532 1/2, that is 532 1/2 kilometer. Now let us look at question number 14. Advertising in a magazine cost rupees 1472 2/5 per square inch. Find the cost of an advertisement of 17 6/7 square inch. So cost of advertising 1 square inch of a magazine is rupees 1472 2/5. Therefore, cost of advertising 17 6/7 square inch of a magazine will be the product of these two numbers. Why are we multiplying? Because here 1 square inch, the cost of 1 square inch was this much. So the cost of 17 6/7 will definitely be more than this number. That is why we are multiplying. So this will be the product of these two numbers. Now first we have to convert these numbers into mixed fractions. So 1472 into 5 is 7360, and 7360 plus 2 is 7362. So this fraction will be 7362 divided by 5 into 17 into 7 will be 119. 119 plus 6 is 125. So this fraction is 125 by 7. Now 5 and 125 you can reduce it. So 5 ones are 5, 5 25s are 125. Now if you multiply these two, you will get 184050 divided by 7, because 1 into 7 is 7. Now this is an improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So I have shown the division here in the rough column. 7 2s are 14. So 18 minus 14 is 4. Now 4 will come down. So 7 6 are 42. 44 minus 42 is 2. 0 will come down. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. This 5 will be taken down. 7 9s are 63. 65 minus 63 is 2. The 0 will come down. 7 2s are 14. So 20 minus 14 is 6. So our fraction will be 26 292 6/7. So the answer is rupees. Why rupees? Because cost. So cost, the unit has to be rupees. Rupees 26,292 6/7 is the answer. Let us now do question number 15. A car travelled from city A to city B with a uniform speed of 52 2/7 km per hour. Find the distance between the two cities if it took 4 3/8 hours for the car to reach city B from city A. That means here speed is given 52 2/7 km per hour and time is given 4 3/8 hours. We have to calculate distance. The formula for calculating distance is speed into time. So we have to multiply these two numbers. Since these are the mixed fractions, we have to convert them into improper fractions. So on converting this number, 52 into 7 is 364. 364 plus 2 is 366. So this fraction will be 366 by 7 into 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 by 8. So as you can see here, 7 and 35, so that can be reduced. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now 366 and 8, both are even numbers, both can be divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 183s are 366. So we got 183 into 5, that is 915, divided by 1 into 4 is 4 kilometers. Now this is an improper fraction. So I have solved this here in the rough side. 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So this 1 will come down and this will become 11. 4 2s are 8. Again 11 minus 8 is 3. This 5 will come down and this will become 35. 4 8s are 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. So 3 is the remainder here and 228 is the quotient. So our answer will be 228 3 by 4. So the answer is 228 3 by 4 kilometers because this was distance. Now we are done with this exercise. Your homework will be number 13 and number 16, and you should practice as many sums as possible.